Hey travelers, welcome back to Hack Trip Easy, the channel that helps you travel smarter, safer, and more prepared. In today's episode, we're diving into Iran should you travel there right now, and what you absolutely need to know before you go. We'll cover the current risks facing tourists, from political unrest to sudden detentions. The real safety hacks you need to avoid serious trouble. How to prepare if you must go, including travel documents, local laws, and emergency contacts. Practical tips on money, internet, and daily life, so you're not caught off guard. This episode isn't about fear, it's about making smart travel decisions. Stick around, because your safety comes first. And we're breaking down everything you need to know before stepping foot in Iran. This video addresses travel considerations for Iran. It is crucial to base travel decisions on current conditions and reliable information. The focus is on safety and awareness for travelers. The video aims to provide informed perspectives. It emphasizes awareness rather than promoting fear regarding travel to Iran. The world map displays regions currently experiencing political tensions. These zones, including Iran, are visually highlighted to indicate potential instability. The map serves to establish a geopolitical context for travel risk assessment. Travel to these areas may involve increased risks due to the prevailing political climate. Consular support for foreign nationals in Iran faces significant limitations. These limitations can impact the assistance available during emergencies. Foreign nationals may encounter difficulties in receiving standard consular services. Understanding these limitations is crucial for foreign travelers and residents in Iran. The scene depicts a typical bustling Iranian street. While Iranians are generally welcoming to visitors, the overall socio-political situation can be unpredictable. This juxtaposition highlights the importance of cultural awareness and caution. The legal system in Iran is subject to rapid changes. Laws are enforced strictly, especially for foreign nationals. Foreigners face a risk of encountering unexpected legal issues. It is crucial to stay informed about current laws and regulations. Photography restrictions are symbolized by a camera icon overlaid with a no symbol. These restrictions indicate that photography may be prohibited in certain areas or of specific subjects. Seemingly harmless photography can sometimes lead to serious legal repercussions. Understanding and adhering to photography restrictions is crucial to avoid legal issues. Ignoring these restrictions can result in fines, confiscation of equipment, or even legal charges. Social media monitoring involves tracking online activity across various platforms. This monitoring can scrutinize travelers' online presence. Online posts and activities may be analyzed for potential risks. Such scrutiny could lead to detention in certain circumstances. Travelers should be aware of the potential consequences of their online behavior. Conservative dress is essential for visitors to Iran. Adhering to local dress codes respects Iranian culture and customs. Proper attire helps avoid unwanted attention from locals. Compliance with dress codes prevents potential legal issues. Understanding and following these guidelines ensures a respectful visit. Travelers with dual nationality face specific risks in certain countries. Local laws may treat dual nationals solely as citizens of that country. This can limit access to consular protection from their other country of citizenship. It is crucial to understand the legal implications before traveling with dual nationality. Travel to Iran requires careful emergency preparedness due to geopolitical factors. Itineraries should be meticulously controlled and pre-planned to ensure safety. Travelers must avoid all protests and public demonstrations. Conservative dress is essential to respect local customs and laws. Offline document storage involves saving copies of essential documents on a secure, non-internet connected device. This method ensures access to critical information during internet outages or emergencies. Emergency contacts and vital records can be stored for immediate retrieval. Secure devices protect documents from unauthorized online access. This simulation demonstrates strategies for identifying potential protest areas. The primary goal is to avoid inadvertent encounters with political gatherings. Avoiding these areas minimizes the risk of involvement or disruption. Staying informed about planned events is crucial for effective avoidance. Maintaining awareness helps ensure personal safety and minimizes potential conflicts. Conservative clothing respects local customs and traditions. Adhering to conservative dress codes minimizes unwanted attention. Examples of conservative attire include modest necklines and longer hemlines. Covering shoulders and arms is often a key aspect of conservative dressing. Avoiding overly revealing or tight-fitting clothing aligns with conservative norms. Sharing location information online can pose significant risks in an unpredictable digital environment. Location data can be misused, leading to potential privacy breaches. This data can reveal personal routines, habits, and frequented places. Malicious actors can exploit this information for stalking or other harmful activities. It is crucial to be aware of the potential consequences before sharing location details. Users should carefully consider privacy settings and who has access to their location data. A travel advisory is being issued regarding travel to Iran. The advisory strongly discourages non-essential travel to Iran. This recommendation is due to current safety risks in the region. The primary concern is the safety and well-being of travelers. Travelers should prioritize their safety when considering visiting Iran. Foreigners should be aware of these potential legal risks and exercise caution. Detention in Iran may result in limited consular assistance from one's home country. Foreign embassies' ability to provide support can be constrained. Diplomatic factors can restrict effective intervention. Political factors may further limit the support provided. For essential travel, a carefully managed itinerary is crucial. Avoid engaging in spontaneous activities that deviate from the planned route. Refrain from discussing or participating in political issues to minimize risk. Adhere to conservative dress codes that respect local customs and norms. Avoid sharing your location online to maintain privacy and security during travel. When traveling to Iran, it is important to carry physical copies of essential documents. Essential documents include passport, visa, and emergency contact information. These documents should be accessible offline at all times. Internet access in Iran may be restricted or monitored, affecting digital document retrieval. Alright travelers, that wraps up our deep dive into traveling to Iran right now. Here's the bottom line. For most tourists, this is not the time to go. High risks, strict laws, political tensions, and limited consular support mean your safety could be in serious danger if something goes wrong. If you must travel for family, essential business, or other urgent reasons, preparation is everything. Follow local laws strictly, avoid crowds and protests, carry emergency contacts, and never share your location online. Remember, Iran is a beautiful country with amazing history and incredibly warm people, but your safety always comes first. If this episode helped you make a smarter travel decision, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone planning a trip. This is Hack Trip Easy. Travel informed, travel safe, travel smart.